Hello and welcome. Today I have a fun rhythm stick activity that you can use with the song 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Once I Caught a Fish Alive. Our learning goals are going to be playing slow and fast, or ta and TT. I like using nursery rhymes because they're somewhat familiar to many of the students and they're so easily adaptable to a wide variety of different activities. I'll be sharing a couple different ways to use the song with rhythm sticks so that you can scaffold the activities across your grade levels. First, we're going to want to get to know the song. And you can make some choices here. You may want the kids to pat the beat and listen to the music, or you may just want to get out those rhythm sticks and let's play the beat.
7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again. Why did you let him go? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? The little finger on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again.
We're going to use 3 different movements in this activity, the beginning level. We're going to use tapping, and we're going to use tapping on the floor, and we're going to use the quick tapping, and we're going to be going overhead. You may want to incorporate those 3 movements while you are playing a steady beat. You could change them randomly, or you might even have a child come up and choose one of those actions and say, can you show us how to do it overhead? And have them all play a little bit overhead, have them all play on the floor, and have them play in the middle, and that will prepare them to play them with the song. So let's go line by line and I'll show you the actions that I've come up with. First, we're going to tap on the floor.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now we're going to tap quick taps from the floor up above our head.
Once I caught a fish alive.
Now we're going to tap slow taps overhead.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And you guessed it, we're going to come right back down to the floor.
Then I let him go again.
So for the next section, we're going to use the 2 sides of the body to do the question and answer. So we're going to start asking the question on this side so that we end up on the right side at the end. And we'll also be using the slow and the fast taps.
Why did you let him go? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? The little finger on the right.
So from your view, you want to start that section on the left so that you end up on the right. Then in my version of the song, the beginning A section repeats again, and we go back to the floor.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again.
And then at the end of the song, yay, we let him go. He's back in the deep blue sea. This is how the song looks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again. Why did you let him go? 'Cause he
I hope your students will enjoy this activity. You can find lots of rhythm stick activities on our channel and free resources on our website. The song's available on your favorite music channels, any of them, and we have a kids version of the song on the Sing Play Create Kids music channel. I hope you'll take a second and subscribe to the channel. It helps it to grow, it helps it to spread it to other people, and it would be much appreciated. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.